Hi, this is Becky from Icing on Top Becky's Cakes, and today we're going to learn how to do buttercream pumpkins. Nice and quick and easy way to do this is just to take a large star tip, put it in your piping bag, and we're going to use Americolor's gel coloring and just mix that with some buttercream and start in the center. We're going to make a nice full pumpkin by just going from the center out and doing a circle, and then just bringing that circle back in, and that just gives us that fullness that we want. Then we're going to use a large writing tip and fill it with chocolate, and we're just going to pipe that, build it up, and then pull, and we'll release the pressure as we pull. Then we're going to use a smaller writing tip. We're going to fill that with Americolor's green and just do a little swirl as we go, and then release the pressure and pull. And then lastly, we'll take out our Wilton Gold sprinkles. We're just going to give them each a little fall-like sprinkle. And there's our pumpkins. To check out my other fall cupcakes, please see my other videos. And we have the turkeys and we have the sunflowers. Thanks for watching.